Hey guys, happy early Easter. Since it's almost Easter, I guess I'll be doing some Easter videos. And I actually found this little Easter bubblegum dispenser. It's an egg cup for Easter and it's pink. They had a pretty light blue like that color, but a little bit lighter. They also had a yellow and a pink, and me and my sisters each took all pink, so there's no more pinks. And right here it says egg cup gumball dispenser. This is like Edgar egg cup, and I actually don't have Edgar egg cup with me right now. So let's just take this off, and it's just like this thing. And I found this at Walgreens for I think $2.99, which was $3 plus tax. And it just looks like this. And it says Happy Easter. And then right here it says Happy Easter. And then this is what it looks like open. So we're gonna open ours, and this is one of my sisters. So now let's just open this. And they had a lot of Shopkins there, so if you guys like for me to open more Shopkins, comment that down below. And then there's a little. So you guys ready to open this? So you just take off the lid, okay. So yeah, you just twist it from the top. There's the bubble gum. Let's take it out. Oh wow, okay. Oh, so here's a bag of bubble gum. As you guys can see, they're like pearls, like they look like shiny pearls, especially the white ones. And then there's just see the dispenser inside it move. And then there's just cardboard that says Happy Easter, which we're gonna try to take out. Okay, well this was much easier than I opened my sister's, because hers was hard to get, and it's still a little hard, but we got it. And then it just says Happy Easter. You can actually leave this in there, but I don't want to. So here's the candy dispenser. Let me move this truck up the way. And we're just going to open our bubble gums. And you can refill this with the bubble gum again if you use it all. So I'm gonna take out each color and show you guys each color. Okay, so here's what the yellow looks like. They're like really shiny. Oh yeah, so here's the yellow one. I'm just gonna sit it right there. There's the purple one. There's the white one. There's the blue one, and here's the pink one. I think the pink is my favorite because it's really really pretty. Let's just fill this up with the rest of the bubble gum. So now all the bubble gum is in. You could always reuse it. This bubblegum machine for every year. Doesn't really have to be like, oh my god, I can't use it no more. So then we're just gonna turn this. So we got a yellow. We got a white. So we got yellow and white. There's green. I don't think I showed you guys the green one. There's another green. So technically you guys know how the dispenser works. And if you guys and we're gonna see if a Shopkin could come out of there. Uh-oh. So here's all the bubble gums. Let's just set those over here. Okay, so now I have some Shopkins in here, and I'm gonna take the smallest one, and we're gonna see if a Shopkin could go in there. Yeah, Shopkin's way too big, as you guys can see. So yeah, the Shopkins cannot fit in here. So let's fill it up with some more bubblegum. So you get way more whites than like. That's what I said. So there we go. There's our Gumball Machine.